come off the Overlook trail right at the entrance where you park. Actually, it's right up there. There's a trail that goes down to the split bow arch. Such an extraordinary sight to see. And I thought we'd at least attempt to go see it. Sign says only 0.3 miles down to the arch. So I thought we'd come down here, and this one site that I was really wanting to come to also. You can kind of see the trail. It does have some rockiness, rocky steps to it. We go downward toward this arch. And I'm trying to get down here before the sun sets. That way. Hopefully we can get a good view of it before it gets too dim on us. Well, and you can see them cliff lines up there. And we're just towering above the trail, the cliff lines. But ain't this gorgeous, folks? Oops. Phone come off the tripod, but that's alright. Look at this, folks. Is this not plumb gorgeous? It's gigantic. Then you can go in between this right up through here. Just look at this. Wow. Such a amazing little spot to get. It's extraordinary. It's hard to have the words. This camera don't do near the justice of how nice in between this crevice walking up through here really is. Well, but I tell you, it is extraordinary. Wow. Now folks, look at this. I made my way down here. Is this arch not magnificent? Is this not plumb beautiful? Well, I believe it is. Then you got the steps that you can go down under it. Wow. The split bow arch. Just look at them trees, how they're growing right out of the, right on the edge of that cliff. Wow, look back in there, folks. Is that not plumb amazing? We walk down through here a little bit. Look at that. So gigantic. I mean, it's towering, magnificent. Yeah, it was worth the walk. Little birds are whistling. Try to make my way back out of here because I'm wanting to show you some more spots too. Back in this crevice. Well, is this not so neat? I'll tell you what. God sure has some designmanship about him, don't he? Great architect. Allows us to see his beauty and experience his creation. We're part of it. I tell you what, I believe you can call a day like this a blessed day. Here we are back to this, folks. Wow. There's so much, you know, if you just get to looking around, especially in my area here, McCreary County, Scott County, Tennessee, the Big South Fork, and, you know, both them areas in both counties, Boy, and I tell you what, both sides have some wonderful views. I don't think I went wrong coming here today. And I hope you've enjoyed it, and maybe you want to come and see it for yourself, because I tell you what, camera, what it captures is extraordinary, but it's nothing compared to seeing it, compared to that humongous arch and all those rock walls lining and going in through them crevices. Makes me feel so small. But I tell you what, the good Lord takes notice of us, cares about us. It's not beautiful. Tell you what, it's plumb beautiful, ain't it? It's a little bit of an uphill climb back out of here. But I tell you what, I don't regret it. Worth the trip. I believe it's meant to be enjoyed. See it and what wonder really gets you to thinking when you look at all the beauty around us, creation, how blessed we are, how wonderful God is. I tell you what, the Big South Fork don't disappoint. There's so many overlooks nestled within it, and just arches and views and the river. It's just amazing, the wildlife. I just took you on this whole trail with me, basically. We're just about back out to the parking area. The trail itself is beautiful. And I've had it all to myself today. But no one out here when I pulled in. A little out of breath, but tell you what, I'm happy. I've really enjoyed it today. Yep, I've made it back out to the parking area now. It wasn't too long of a walk to get a view like that, was it? Just hang around a little bit. I'm going to pull right up the road, and then there's an overlook that overlooks the arch that we was just under. Be right back with you, folks. Now, folks, I kid you not, I'm here at the parking area on top of the overlook to the arch that we was just under. And I got down this road right here about maybe 60 seconds. And I'm already here to see another view on top of the split bow arch. The split bow arch overlook. Seen it from up here where we was at. Look down here. See that view right there? But that ain't nothing compared to what I'm going to show you here in just a minute. So we make our way down here. Boy, I tell you what, beautiful just up here. Look here. Right there is where we was just at down there. There's the steps we went down. Look at that magnificent arch. Wow. Look how deep of a holler that is. Is that not plumb amazing? Just look at that. Hear the birds? Wow. Such a beautiful canopy here, ain't it? Such a beautiful forest. So peaceful out here. And you know, I've not seen one vehicle today. But right there's the top of the arch, which I ain't going to get on top of that thing. You see the sign there, danger, keep off. So we can see it from a distance. Wow. And this overlook right here is right by the road, folks. I just walked right down here. I mean, it's don't really take no effort at all. The Split Bow Arch Overlook. What's neat, ain't it? Such a beautiful area, just driving down the road here. The scenery, things to see. And you never know when you're going to see a bear or whatever. Wildlife, deer. And it's plumb nice. So hang in there and we might go see another spot today.